Hey, how you doing, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am in Berlin. We're going to be looking at 12 things that you can do in Berlin on a budget. So we're going to cover landmarks, history, food and drinks. And with this being on a budget, the only things that I'm going to pay for are the food and the drinks. So let's dive right in with number one. So first up is the TV tower in Alexanderplatz. At 360 metres high, it is the tallest tower in the European Union. And you don't need to spend €25 to go up to the top. You can look at it from down in Alexanderplatz and get an experience of what this unique structure is in the centre of Berlin. And right next door to Alexanderplatz is location number 2, which is the Museum Island. Just to the side of the River Spree, which is frozen over, as you can see. It is absolutely freezing. It's early February, and behind me here is part of Museum Island with 5 incredible museums. Again, on a budget, you don't need to go inside. You can look at the beautiful architecture of these buildings. So let's take a closer look. So this whole island is a UNESCO World Heritage with ancient gates and Egyptian treasures inside. But down here by the Spree River, you've got the perfect shot, completely free. These domes across the water are just stunning. And now number 3, behind me here is Berlin Cathedral. Built for the German emperors over 100 years ago, it has a very similar vibe to St Paul's Cathedral in London. There is a £10 entry fee, but you can still look at it from the outside and appreciate the beautiful architecture of this cathedral. So number 4 on our top 12 things to do in Berlin is Brandenburg Gate. Built in 1971, this neoclassical monster survived World War II and became the symbol of German unity. If you come at sunset, it will glow bright gold. So right next to the Brandenburg Gate, I'm here at the Holocaust Memorial. Over 2,700 concrete slabs that get taller as you walk through, deliberately disorientating. There's a free underground information centre as well, and it's one of those places that you need to experience, and experience slowly. So we are halfway through our 12 things to do in Berlin, and behind me here is the Reichstag. So the Reichstag is Germany's parliament building with a modern glass dome sitting on top. So exterior shots from this plaza work perfectly well if you don't get tickets to go inside to see the dome. You can pre-book ahead of time, and booking is free. But if you do turn up on the day without a booking, there is a cost. So I won't be going inside, but we can certainly take a look from the outside. Okay, so we're up to number 7. And as I've made my way behind me through Tiergarten Park, and as you reach the end of the park, behind me here you will see Victory Column. Berlin Central Park, with Europe's biggest urban green space, and dead centre is that golden angel, sits atop 285 steps, and if you're feeling energetic, for €5 you can climb up there, or you can just take a look around and escape the hustle and bustle of the Berlin streets. It's around about a 20-minute walk from the Reichstag where we've just been to. And for number 8 on our 12 things to do in Berlin, we have got the Kaiser Wilhelm Church. They have deliberately left this World War II tower as a bombed out ruin covered in bullet holes and shrapnel scars. You run your fingers over these marks so you can see clearly where the bullet marks are. And the new church next door makes the contrast even more powerful. So next on the list, behind me here, is Checkpoint Charlie. So the famous Cold War crossing where Americans and Soviets stared each other down. So you can usually, when the weather's a bit nicer, because it is absolutely freezing, there are usually fake soldiers charging €5 for a photo. Yeah, bit of a tourist rip-off. Right, so after all them landmarks that we've been visiting, it's time to get something to eat and eat some local delicacy. And what more is local than a currywurst? I'm here at Knoop's Currywurst, so we're going to order some food. I'm going to take a seat in this section over here and get out of the cold. So this is a classic Berlin street food since 1930. It's a juicy pork sausage drowned in curry ketchup with chips on the side. These two portions cost €19 and it's very much a local tradition. So let's get stuck in. That is lovely. Really nice and warm, especially in this cold weather. And try a fry. Nice and crispy. I'm going to get stuck in and finish the rest of this off. Got a beer here. This is a Bitburger. It is a German beer. So for this beer and a Coke for Harrison, that has cost a total of €10. So cheers everybody. That is lovely. Nice Pilsner. Cheers. And finally, we've reached number 12 on our things to do in Berlin. And behind me here is the East Side Gallery. So the East Side Gallery is 1.3 kilometres of original Berlin Wall turned into the world's largest open-air gallery. That kissing mural is the most photographed spot in the entire city and it is completely free. So that is the 12 things to do on a budget in Berlin. Is there anything that I've missed out? Anything that you would recommend that somebody goes and sees? It's really easy to get around the city on both the U and the S-Bahn. This is all part of my voucher mystery holiday, and if you would like to see a video explaining how that works and how much I paid for this 2-night trip to Berlin, there's a video here, and you can also click a link in the description below. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and hit the subscribe button so you get updates when future videos are released. And until next time, I will see you in the next video.